Alright, so today we'll be making some Thai iced tea. We're going to be doing this at home style. I'm sure most of you guys have a French press. We boil up some water and we're going to be using this Thai tea. It's called Cha Thai. As you can see, it's produced in Bangkok, and this is some legit stuff here. My girlfriend works at a Thai restaurant. She brought this over. I've seen these in the Asian grocers. Some Asian grocers, I haven't seen it. We'll put a link down below where you can get some for yourself. So real easy to do, right? So here I'm just adding in about 2 heaping tablespoons worth of this tea mix here. And then I'm gonna grab a sugar. Let's just put in about 1 tablespoon of sugar. So yeah, we just fill it up with water here. Don't fill it too much. Just fill it to about there, because you gotta remember we're gonna press down on it. Alright, then all we gotta do is just stir it up. Alright, so I'm going to be making 3 versions of this Thai iced tea. This first version is authentic Thai. We use evaporated milk and condensed milk. Alright, so here we go. This is the first version. Alright, next one, sweet condensed milk. And I got the organic kind. Now, for those of you that are lactose intolerant out there, try some coconut milk. This one's unsweetened, so when you add in your tea bag mixture with the hot water, put more sugar in it. Alright guys, so this coconut milk here kind of settles in, so what you want to do is kind of stir it up. Get it nice and liquidy. Alright, so now that this has been steeping here, I'm just pressing down all the herbs to the bottom, so all we get is the liquid. Alright, now I'm just going to transfer it into like some kind of mixing pot, put it into a glass. I'm just going to put it in a pot and mix up the milk in here. But man, look at that orange color. Like, this is like iced tea from Thailand when it's orange color. Like, that's how you know. Alright guys, so now what I'm doing is I'm taking that sweet condensed milk and I'm putting in, let's say, about 2 tablespoons. There's 1. There's 2. Alright. And then the evaporated milk, just add it in just for the coloring. You don't add in as much as you like, but you see how it just turned all of a sudden orange there? That's what we're looking for. I just gave it a little taste test, and man, that's like spot on right there. Now, it works best with crushed ice and to the top. Transfer it over. Oh man, nice and sweet, beautiful color. You gotta try it. Alright, so now we're going to do a version of the Thai tea if you are allergic to milk. And here I'm adding in 2 heaping tablespoons of tea per person. Now, since the coconut milk is unsweetened, we're gonna add in more sugar than the previous version. So I'm adding in more sugar, but you know, don't be scared because this drink is meant to be sweet. We're adding in the hot water. Mix it up a little bit. There we go, we're just mixing it up. All the sugar, all the herbs. Let it steep in there for a couple minutes. Alright, here we go. We're gonna try out 2 different versions. I got 2 crushed ice here. Push down all the herbs there. Alright. So this one will be with the coconut milk. This one will be with half and half. Alright guys, here we go. Give it a nice little one more stir. Alright, then this one, just add in the half and half. Alright guys, so this here is the authentic version. This here is with the coconut milk. And this here is what you find at, you know, the American Thai restaurants with half and half. As you can see, they all look very similar in color. And I gotta admit, they all taste great. Try it for yourself. Let me know which one you guys like. So, once again guys, I just really want to thank you for watching my channel, and thank you so much for subscribing. And if you haven't done so, please hit that subscribe button, like, share, and hope you enjoy my videos. So I'm gonna be making 3 versions of this Thai iced tea. Now the first version here is I'm opening.
That sure looks yummy.